Hey, how you going? This is Coach Josh from My Performance Health, and I'm here with my client Troy. Today we're going to be running through a 5x5 method, really good for building strength and muscle. Let's get into it.
All right, let's go.
So we're going to be doing a shoulder press. The rep range is 3 to 5, so we're going to be pushing nice and heavy. When you're ready, Troy, let's get into it. Drive, done. Now we're going to go straight into supinated chins. Same thing, 3 to 5 reps.
Ready, steady,
1,
go.
4, last one, big drive up. Done. Minute and a half rest. Let him recover so he can push hard again. Push, Troy, go, go! Yes, well done. Keep pulling. Yeah. Give me it. Come on, come on! Yes, push! Done. We'll take down. PB for Troy, 25.
Ready, steady, go.
Control. Good man. 5, 2, 1, 6, 2, 1, 7. So it's a relative strength method, which just pretty much increases your strength over time. So if you're doing that 3 to 5 rep range, you're targeting muscle groups that have that are really good for compound lifts, like your bench press, squat, deadlift, overhead press. Compound lifts can help with your strength and hypertrophy as well. We're going to be doing face pulls and shoulder lateral raises. 3, 2, 1, 4, 2, 1, and 2 more. Last one. Done. 2, 1, go. 10, 9, 8, 7. Fight, Troy. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Smashed it out, hit some PBs today. Really good work. And we lifted 4 northern giraffes. Do like a sign-off handshake. Well done.
Thanks.